Hello everyone, welcome to this session. Chapter is temperature. So this is a new chapter. So in our previous session, we've discussed about the Newton's law of motions. We've discussed all three Newton's laws of motion. Today we'll start with this new chapter, temperature. We'll start with the concept of temperature. So we'll start with the meaning of the term temperature. Temperature, this is just the property of a body which decides which way heat will flow when it is placed in contact with another body. So we get the meaning of the temperature as it is a kind of a property of a body which it mainly decides the way heat will just flow when this kind of a body is placed in contact with another body. So that's where we get the meaning of temperature. So here's the definition of temperature. Temperature is defined as the degree of hotness or coldness of a body. So that degree of how hot it is or how cold it is what we call the temperature. Now, it is one of the factors which make scientists to determine the amount of heat energy possessed by a body. So this is the crucial factor in determining the amount of heat energy that an object or which a body can possess. So this is a crucial factor for the determination of the amount of heat energy that a body can possess. Moving on, let's see the SI unit of temperature. The SI unit of temperature, this is Kelvin. Kelvin scale is known as the absolute temperature scale or the thermodynamic scale. And the lowest temperature in Kelvin scale is 0 degrees Kelvin, also known as the absolute zero. So we can see the main SI unit or the SI unit of temperature is Kelvin, and we can see there are these kinds of temperatures that can be known using this scale, Kelvin scale. When the lowest temperature in the Kelvin scale, when it is 0 degrees Kelvin, we call it the absolute zero. Now, commonly in thermometers, we encounter the other units, the units such as the Celsius degrees. Another scale is also called the Fahrenheit scale. So these are other scales or the other units that you can use to measure the temperature of a body. Moving on, let's see the conversion between temperature scales. Now, the values of temperature can be converted into different units by using specific formulas as you can see below. So between Kelvin scale and centigrade degrees, you can convert it by this kind of a formula. Degrees temperature in Kelvin equals to 273 plus degrees Celsius. So degrees Celsius will be equal to temperature in Kelvin minus 273. Also between centigrade degrees or Celsius degrees and the Fahrenheit degrees equals to 5/9 in bracket degrees Fahrenheit minus 32. So also the degrees Fahrenheit will be equal to 9/5 degrees centigrade or Celsius plus 32. So these are just the main formulas that you can use to convert between the various temperature scales. So of the scale with this. So that's all I have for this session. We've started briefly discussing about this chapter, the temperature, the meaning of the temperature. We've seen the SI unit of temperature and how you can convert the various temperature scales from one to another. So that's clear for this session, and thank you.